In this video, we show how to replace the memory module in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove a DIMM with the cover and left air shroud removed, pull back on the retention clips and then lift the memory out and rotate it around and up out of the system. To install a DIMM, lower in and underneath the heatsink and align it with the sockets and press it in until it clicks into place. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.